Good morning, students. In the series of lectures in the subject VLSI design, today we are going to discuss CMOS logic. So, CMOS digital circuits basically utilizes NMOS and PMOS transistors operating at switches. Okay. Now we know that most transistors can operate as an on and off switch. Okay, if the transistor works in triode region and cutoff region respectively. Okay, so if we talk about NMOS transistor, so NMOS transistor will work as a closed switch if the voltage as gate terminal is greater than threshold voltage. Okay, then it will work as a closed switch with a resistance R on. Okay, obviously this resistance will be very small. Okay, so this resistance will work between drain and source. If the gate voltage is less than threshold voltage, or we can say if the gate voltage is 0, then it will work as open switch. Okay, now for PMOS, this is the symbol of PMOS, and remember that the source terminal is above and drain terminal is below. Now, in order to work PMOS as a closed switch, the gate voltage should be 0. Okay, and if we want this PMOS as a open switch, then the gate voltage should be equal to the supply voltage, means high voltage should be applied here in order to work it as open switch. Okay, so this is basic working of NMOS and PMOS. Okay, if we want to utilize them in CMOS logic. So what is the general structure of CMOS logic? This is the general structure of a CMOS logic. So it consists of two networks. One is pull-up network, another one is pull-down network. Okay, so inputs are connected here. In this example, we have three inputs. Okay, so three inputs are connected here, three inputs are connected here. So we can connect these inputs like this. Okay, so whatever in numbers there are inputs that are to be connected to pull-up network and pull-down network both. Okay, now pull-up network basically is a network of PMOS transistors. Okay, it is a network of PMOS transistors. Pull-down network is basically a network of NMOS transistors. So this is the network of NMOS transistor. This is the network of PMOS transistors. Okay, so let us understand it in detail. So pull-up network consists of a network of PMOS transistors. Pull-down network consists of a network of NMOS transistors. Now let's talk about pull-down network. Okay, so pull-down network will conduct for all input combinations that require a low output. Okay, and then we'll pull the output node down to ground. Okay, causing a zero voltage to appear at the output. Okay, so let us take an example of this. Let's say we want to have a combination logic. We want to design a combination logic like this. Okay, suppose this is the logic, or let's consider another example, that is y bar equals to AB. Okay, so here you can see that if A and B are high, both are high, means both are 1, So y bar will be equal to 1, so y equal to 0. Okay, so in order to design a pull down network by given combinational logic, we have to convert this logic in the form like this. Y bar should be equal to, now all inputs should be in active high form. Okay, like this. Okay, now if I consider now if I consider this pull up network, so this pull up network basically works reverse to the pull down network. So in order to design this pull up network, we have to design we have to convert the combinational logic we have to convert the combinational logic in the form y equal to all the inputs that are in active low form. Okay, so by seeing that, we can design this network easily. Okay, so we will better understand these circuits by using some examples. Okay, so this is your pull up network. Okay, now uh, in this slide, these networks which you can see above are basically your pull down networks. This is your pull up network. So in case of pull down network, let's consider this example. Y complement is equals to A plus B. So in order to design this pull down network, this combinational logic is already in the form Y bar equals to inputs. So inputs are in active high form, so we can directly design them. So plus sign here indicates the uh, NMOS transistors will be connected in parallel. Okay, so plus sign means NMOS transistors will be connected in parallel. Two NMOS transistors will be used. For one NMOS transistor, input is A. For another NMOS, input is B. So you can see that these two transistors NMOS are connected in series, parallel. Sorry. Okay. So by this, we can design the combinational logic, pull down network. Let us consider this example. This is already in the form y bar equals to AB. Okay, so these inputs are already in active high form. So here is the product. So in case of product, two NMOS transistors will be connected in series. So you can see that two NMOS transistors are connected in series. So let us consider one case here. If A is 1 and B is also 1, so Y will be directly connected to ground, means Y will be equal to 0. Okay, so this is your designing of pull down. So this is another example. Here you can see that it is already in the form y bar equals to inputs and all inputs are in active high form. So yeah, this plus sign indicates connection in parallel. This multiplication sign indicates connection in series. So two NMOS having inputs B and C will be connected in series here, and in parallel to this combination, the NMOS having input A will be connected in parallel. So you can easily design this pull down network. Now, in order to design pull up network, I already told you that the combinational logic should be converted in the form y equals to complement of inputs. Okay, okay. So all inputs should be uh, converted in the form that are all inputs are in complement form. So here you can see that these all inputs are already in complement form, so you can easily design this. Okay, so here we will use pull up in pull up network we will use PMOS. So this is your PMOS having input A. Remember the input is already A, not A bar. A. This plus sign will obviously indicate the connection in parallel. You can see that these two PMOS are connected in parallel. Let's say another example. This is already in the form y equals to complement of inputs. So A complement into B complement. So multiplication sign means the PMOS will be corrected in series. Okay. So inputs will be A and B. Remember the inputs are not in complement form. Okay. So you need to remember this. Inputs will be same A and B. So here you can also see that two PMOS connected in series having inputs B and C, and one PMOS connected in parallel to this. Okay, so you can easily design this combination. Okay, so by doing this, we develop the pull-up network and pull-down networks. Okay, now let us consider this example. Y equals to, suppose we have given this combinational logic and we need to design this using CMOS logic. Okay, so first you need to design the pull down network. Suppose we need to design first pull down network. So for pull down network, we know that this logic should be converted in the form y bar equals to this. So how we can convert it in the form? So we can take complement of both sides. So if I take complement of both sides, y bar will be equal to what? A plus B. Is it clear? A plus B complement complement. So that will nothing but be equal to A plus B. Okay. So now this is converted in the form that we want for designing pull down network. So here you can see we will use two NMOS which are connected in parallel, and one NMOS will have input A, one NMOS will have input B. So this is your connection of pull down network. So now in order to make the pull up network, so this logic should be converted in the form y equal to complement of inputs. So here you can see that there are two inputs A and B, and it is the whole complement. So we have to convert it into the complement of individual inputs. Okay. So how we can use this? By using De Morgan's theorem, I can easily tell that this will be equal to A bar dot B bar. Okay. So now this logic we can easily design pull-up network. So you can see that two PMOS will be used, one having input A, another having input B. Okay, so now these two PMOS will be connected in series because multiplication sign is here. So this will be here. So now if I connect this pull down network and pull up network like this, so this is the complete CMOS logic for the combinational logic y equals to a plus b whole bar. Here, let's consider the next example. This is pretty much simple. Y equals to ab bar. So, in order to design the pull down network, I need to convert it into y bar equal to. So, if I take the complement of both sides, that will be y bar equal to ab. Okay. So it is already converted into this form in order to make pull down network. So two NMOS will be connected in series. So here you can see that two NMOS are connected in series. Now, in order to make the pull-up network, so that should be converted in the form y equals to complement of individual inputs. So here I can use De Morgan's theorem. So that will be A bar plus B bar. Okay. So here you can see that two PMOS, one having input A, one having input B, will be connected in parallel. So here you can see that two PMOS are connected in parallel. Okay. So if I connect this network, so that will be like this. So first you need to draw the pull-up network. Just do like this Y, and you can use this two PMOS, two NMOS. Okay, one having input A and another having input B. Okay, and now above that you need to design the pull-up network. So for pull-up network, you can do this like this. Okay, this is your PMOS. This is another symbol of PMOS. So this is another symbol of PMOS. So let's take another example. This. So in order to design this circuit, so first you need to draw the pull down network. This. So how you will draw it? First you need to convert this logic in the form y bar equal to inputs. Okay, so you need to take the complements of both sides. So if you take the complement of both sides, that will be like this. So will be equal to a bracket b plus cd. So this has been converted in the form that we want to design the pull down network. So now you can see that first we will design two NMOS connected in series having input C and D. So here you can see that. Now it's to this network, one NMOS having input B will be connected in parallel. So you can see that B is connected in parallel. And to this whole combination, another NMOS having input A is connected in series. So you can see that this is connected in series. Okay, so this is how you design the pull down network. Now in order to make the pull up network, so you need to design this circuit. You need to convert this logic in the form y equal to complement of individual inputs. So here you can see that these inputs are not individually complemented. So in order to make this individually complemented, we need to use De Morgan's theorem. So by applying De Morgan's theorem, what you will get? You will get A bar plus B plus CD whole bar. Okay. So by further simplifying it, you will get that is A bar plus, again apply De Morgan's theorem here, B bar dot CD whole bar. Okay, CD whole bar can be written as C bar plus D bar. Okay, so now you can see that all individual inputs have been complemented. Okay, so this is what we need to design the pull-up network. So here you can see that by starting with the bracket logics, so two PMOS having input C and D will be connected in parallel. So you can see that. And with this combination, a PMOS having input B will be connected in series. So this is connected in series. Okay. To this whole combination, another PMOS having input A will be connected in parallel. So to this whole combination, another PMOS is connected in parallel, and this whole setup is connected to a supply. Okay. And below that, we have a logic output Y. So this is how we design a circuit using CMOS logic. Okay. Now, by seeing this is your working section. So you can see that uh, what is this logic? Okay. Suppose this is the CMOS logic implementation of a combinational logic. So according to that, what is this? So if you apply A and B both 0, so if you apply here A and B both 0, so if I apply A 0, so this is A bar, that will be 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 1. Okay, so you can see that. So if this is 0, then this PMOS is on, this is high, this is off, this is low, this is on, this is high, this is off. So you can see that both these are off and both these are on. So you can see that connection of output to the VDD is already broken to the both branches. Okay, but here as you see that output is connected to ground from this branch, so output will be 0. And put it as 0. So again, similarly, if you apply A and B 1, again the output will be 0. Now if you apply A equals to 0 and B equals to 1, so if I apply A equals to 0 and B equals to 1, so this will be 1. Okay, and A equals to 0, B equals to 1, so that will be 0 also. Okay, so A equals to 1, B equals to 0, A equals to 1, and B equals to 0. Okay, so this is logic. So here you can see that this transistor is off. Here this transistor is off. You can see that the connection of output to the ground is broken from both the branches. But here if you see, both the inputs are 0, so these two PMOS will be on, so output will be connected to the supply, so output will be high. It means that if that is A is 1, B is 0, output will be 1. Similarly, if A is 0, B equal to 1, output will also 1. So what this truth table suggests? This truth table suggests a XOR gate. So this is the CMOS logic implementation of a XOR gate. Okay, this is how we implement the XOR gate. Okay, so this is the combinational logic exercise for you. You need to implement this combinational logic using CMOS logic. Okay, so this is the combination. You can try it at home. Okay, and this is pretty much simple. So you can see that uh, in order to design the pull down network, this is your pull down network. So you need to design the circuit in the form like this. Okay, uh, in which form you need to design? Y bar equals to, sorry, Y bar equal to inputs. So just take the complement of both sides. So if you take the complement of both sides, that will be equal to Y bar equal to A plus B, C plus D. So you can easily design this circuit, okay, in pull down network. So how we will design the pull down network? The two NMOS having input C and D will be connected in parallel. You can see it. And another NMOS having input B will be connected in series with this combination. So this is connected in series with this combination, and this whole combination will be connected in parallel with the NMOS having input A. Okay, so this is how you need to design the pull down network. Similarly, you will design the pull up network. Okay, so in order to design the pull up network, you need to first convert it into the form Y equal to complement of individual inputs. So just take use of De Morgan's theorem. So how will you design it? So Y equal to A bar dot complement of B C plus D. Okay. So further simplifying it, that will be equal to A bar dot, again use of De Morgan's theorem, B bar plus C plus D whole bar. So you can design it as C bar dot D. Okay. So this is now all individual inputs have been complemented. So this is how you will design the pull-up network. So how we will design the pull-up network? So above pull-down network, first use two PMOS having inputs C and D in series. So these are connected in series, and B is connected in parallel to this combination. So B is connected in parallel to this combination, and to this whole combination, a PMOS having input A is connected in series. So this PMOS is connected into series. So this is your pull up network. Okay. So if you append this pull up network above pull down network, this is how CMOS logic is implemented. Okay. So this was all about your CMOS logic. You can do more and more exercises on this. Okay.